Explained, Multi-Agent Collaboration in CrewAI. Today, we'll dive into the essentials of setting up efficient, collaborative environments using CrewAI, focusing on defining roles, setting goals, and integrating AI decision-making. Did you know that by 2026, most organizations will rely on multi-agent systems for automation? Welcome to our series on CrewAI, where today, we'll explore the world of multi-agent collaboration. Organizations are moving towards more collaborative automation, and mastering these systems is crucial. This video will guide you through defining roles, setting collaborative goals, and integrating AI decision-making for efficient workflows. Let's dive in and unlock the future of seamless automation.
Understanding the roles each agent plays within a system is foundational to effective multi-agent collaboration. Start by identifying the unique capabilities and responsibilities each agent will undertake. This could range from data processing to decision-making or task execution. In CrewAI, tools are readily available to help assign and manage these roles, ensuring that every agent's workload is balanced and aligns with the overall system goals. Compatibility among roles is crucial. Agents need to work in tandem without stepping on each other's toes. By clearly defining roles, you create a streamlined, efficient system ready to tackle complex tasks. Just as in human teams, setting clear, achievable goals is vital for multi-agent systems. Start with defining what success looks like for your system. This involves both short-term objectives and long-term outcomes that align with your business goals. CrewAI offers robust tools for setting and tracking these goals, helping you to monitor progress and make necessary adjustments. Remember to incorporate flexibility. Automation environments can change rapidly, and your goals should be adaptable to meet these new challenges. By setting collaborative goals, you ensure your multi-agent system remains focused and productive. Effective communication is the backbone of any collaborative system, including multi-agent environments. In CrewAI, establishing clear communication channels is paramount. This involves setting up protocols that ensure seamless interaction and data integrity. Real-time data sharing is crucial. Agents need up-to-date information to make informed decisions and perform their tasks efficiently. CrewAI provides the necessary tools to monitor and adjust these communication strategies, ensuring that your system remains adaptable and responsive to changes. By prioritizing communication, you enhance the overall efficiency and effectiveness of your multi-agent collaboration.
In any collaborative environment, conflicts are inevitable, and multi-agent systems are no exception. Identifying potential conflict areas early is crucial. These can include resource allocation disputes or priority clashes. CrewAI offers conflict resolution tools to facilitate open communication and mediate disputes. Leveraging AI within CrewAI can help in resolving conflicts quickly and fairly, ensuring minimal disruption to the workflow. Regular evaluation and adjustment of these strategies are essential to maintain harmony and productivity within your system. By implementing robust conflict resolution strategies, you safeguard your collaborative environment from unnecessary disruptions. Monitoring performance is key to maintaining an efficient multi-agent system. CrewAI provides comprehensive tools for tracking agent performance metrics in real time. By doing so, you can quickly identify bottlenecks and address them promptly. Establishing a continuous improvement process is essential. Use the data gathered to refine and enhance your system continuously. This not only boosts current performance but also ensures that your system is scalable and prepared to handle increased workloads. By focusing on performance monitoring, you create a system that is both efficient and adaptable.
Security and data integrity are paramount in any collaborative system. Implementing robust security protocols is the first step in protecting your multi-agent system. CrewAI offers a suite of security tools to ensure data encryption and integrity throughout your workflow. Regular updates to your security measures are essential to protect against evolving threats. Additionally, educating users on security best practices further strengthens your system's defenses. By prioritizing security, you not only protect your data but also ensure the integrity and reliability of your collaborative environment. Designing a scalable architecture is crucial for the long-term success of your multi-agent system. Start by planning for scalability from the outset, using CrewAI's tools to build an architecture that can grow with your needs. This involves optimizing resource allocation and ensuring seamless integration with existing systems. Flexibility is key. Your architecture should be able to adapt to future growth and changes in workload. By focusing on scalability, you create a robust system that can handle increased demands without compromising performance. Integrating AI decision-making into your multi-agent system can significantly enhance its capabilities. CrewAI provides tools to seamlessly incorporate AI into your workflows, improving decision accuracy and speed. It's important to adapt AI algorithms to meet the specific needs of your system, ensuring they align with your goals and objectives. Continuous evaluation of AI performance is necessary to make adjustments and improvements over time. By leveraging AI, you can create a more intelligent, responsive, and efficient system capable of handling complex tasks with ease.
And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to mastering multi-agent collaboration with CrewAI. We've covered everything from defining roles and setting goals to integrating AI decision-making. Multi-agent systems are the future, and CrewAI provides the tools you need to stay ahead. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with CrewAI. Drop a comment below, share this video with your network, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Until then, happy collaborating.